Where's the donut?
Hello?
Hello?
Mommy, they picked up. Hello?
Hi.
Hi. My mommy told me to call you. Hi,
Okay.
Mommy. They're talking on the phone. Hi. What?
Hello?
You know what?
Hello?
I like ice cream.
We don't sell ice cream here.
No one else?
We don't sell ice cream.
I like trucks.
You like what?
Yeah. I like to play with trucks.
You got the wrong number.